that out, guys. What's up, everyone? This is Joe Sorrentino, New England RC. Today we've got a brand new product to showcase, 2025. This is the Losi LMT Megalodon mini monster truck. Real excited about it, guys. I'm gonna give it a rip. Let's go!
Alright, let's give it a rip. Whoa, he is top heavy. Oh boy, hard to keep it balanced. Supposed to be able to do tricks off things like this. Wow, they work, kinda. Try that again. Yeah, boy, that was it. One more. Oh, that was cool. All right, in the front lawn here, I got my little mini monster jam set up. Little red jumps. They're double-sided. Very steep incline on one. More of a slope on the other side. Two on each side here. And we get your standard jump. And then this 3D printed MH mini monsters. I got this online from a guy on eBay. Let's see how it works. Oh, cool. Nice. Oh, that was awesome. Wow, it did like a triple or a double at least. Wow, this thing is so cool. Oh, wow. That was cool how it bounces off the tail and then lands back where it should. Oh, fun. Wow, these little ramps, man, they're perfect for this. Oh, this is what I thought it would be. Oh my God, that's so cool. There you go. There you go, buddy. Nice. So much fun. I can take this anywhere. Bring this to the beach with little tiny jumps that you can just scatter around and watch this thing go flying. Oh man, I have a lot of fun this summer with this guy. Wow. Wow, that was awesome. So cool. Oh my God. Wow. Perfect. Oh, almost perfect. Let's spin around for a little bit. Yeah, cool. Oh, damn. Oh, jeez. Gotta watch the turns on this. As fun as it is very top heavy. Oh, that was awesome. I can't even believe how good that was. Oh, there we go. Uh-oh. That's the only downside. But it's great for tricks. A lot of fun. Whoa. Oh, that was cool. I love how it springs up on the grass. Oh. Oh. Go. Right, with 2 wheels. Haha. Oh, geez. That was not a good landing. Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh, there it is. Haha. Oh. Oh, awesome. Amazing. All right, I got another ramp out here. This one is kind of cool. It's got 2 sides to it. A little bigger than the little ones that I had before. Giving another test here. It's a different day, by the way, guys. The weather's a little gloomier here. We're gonna make the best of what we got. That was sweet. Nice, there you go. Perfect. There you go. All right, let's give it a try on the truck for a little bit. Cool. Oh, hello. Awesome. I wasn't sure if it would be able to handle those jumps without toppling over. I'm pleasantly surprised. Oh, that's kind of more what I was expecting. Oh. Oh, I thought it was going to land. Oh, nice recovery. And come up top. Oh, man. Oh crap. Oh, he landed it. All right. Very nice. Oh, I went. Oh. Don't forget, guys, if you haven't already, like and subscribe. Wow, that is a fun little vehicle, guys. It is top heavy. Don't expect to be able to make sharp turns in this thing. They'll be always landing on its feet. You know, as you saw when I was playing with it, that thing was always falling on me. But if you want something that you can do tricks with, it's great with jumps. Oh my God, guys, you saw that. That thing was crazy. And nimble too. It spins around easy. And I think for what it is, you really can't beat it for the money. It's a really fun little vehicle. I'll definitely be taking to the beach this summer. I think I'm going to buy another one too. I have two to play with. I have a friend over. We can tool around on this thing all day. Get some jumps, bring it to some sand, and you guys are going to have a blast with this thing. Absolutely love it. The Megalodon Losi LMT Mini. Gotta get one. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and smash the notification bell to stay updated on when my next video becomes available. Until then, this is Joe Sorrentino saying thanks for watching. See you in the next one.